I'll show you how to download Sims 4 for free and also get all the DLC. So that means all the expansion packs on your Mac or MacBook. And I'll be using my MacBook for this tutorial, but it doesn't matter if you have a Mac that is a desktop or a MacBook. Just make sure you watch the full video, free all the DLC for your Origin account, for your EA app, and let's get into it. Now you'll need your Apple computer for the tutorial, and I'll show you how to download Sims 4 for free and also get all the DLC. For this, we'll be using our mobile device because I'll show you in a second how to get any pack you want just by using your mobile device. And this tutorial will take you like 4 to 5 minutes, but make sure you watch the full video and let's get into it. So the first step, if you have an iPhone, there's one extra step for you. If you have an Android device or an iPad, you don't have to do it. But if you have an iPhone, go to your settings, scroll down the list and click on the home screen and make sure that shown app library is enabled. So this setting right here, if you find it disabled, just turn on shown app library and you'll be good to go. And before I forget to mention, on your Mac computer, you can use EA Store, that's the Origin, Epic Store, Epic Games, and Steam. Doesn't matter, will work for all free game stores. Just watch the video. So now we have to download one app and I'll show you how to use it. So just open your browser and go to this website right here. It's app library, like this. And when the website loads up, just type in the search bar and search for Sims 4 DLC, and it will pop up. It will say Sims 4 DLC code generator. So this is the app that we need to get the DLC on our computers. And when you're ready, it says click to download Sims 4 DLC code generator for all stuff, game, and expansion packs. And this is what we want. So just click on the app icon and click the big orange button. In this part, you don't have to do anything. Just give it a few seconds. And again, it will work on any EA app, Steam, Epic Store. Give it a few moments here. And believe it or not, we almost finished. Now the final step will be a simple device verification, which I'll show you how to pass. And what we have to do is we have to complete device verification by completing 3 free offers from the list below. And this should take like 2 to 3 minutes and it'll do it with you. After that, the Sims 4 for all the DLC code generator app will start downloading automatically. So what I'll do right now is I'll complete 3 offers from this list. I'll just start with this one. PDF converter says follow the instructions on the next page. So let's see. Step 1 is search App Store. Step 2 is search PDF scanner. I have to find this app right here. And then I have to install it and open it. So very simple. I think I can complete it in 20 seconds. It's a very simple app. And guys, make sure you watch the full video because at the end you'll see how I redeem the codes you get from the app. It's really important that you watch the full video. As you can see, that's the app with the red icon. And yeah, this one is a really simple offer. Took me like 20 seconds or something. I'm almost finished with it. Now all I have to do is just open it. And that is one offer completed. So now what I'll do is I'll go complete 2 more offers and I'll see you guys in a few seconds. Okay guys, so I just finished completing my 3rd offer. Now it took me around 2 more minutes, but it was really easy. And it's really important that after you complete all 3 offers, that's the device verification, you go back and return to the browser because that will start the download progress for the download process for this app right here, the Sims 4 DLC app. And if the download process doesn't start, don't worry, just click the refresh button and you'll be good to go. So now if I go to my home screen, you can see I have the new app right here. the Sims 4 DLC code generator. And what I'll do right now is I'll just open it up. And if you, for example, were to play on a console, you'd select a PlayStation option or an Xbox. But since I want to get the packs on my Mac computer, which I have Origin on, what I'll do is I'll select the EA option, and then you can get any DLC you want. You can get the Growing Together expansion pack. I'll just go with the first option, my first pet stuff. Then after you selected EA, Steam, or Epic Games for your MacBook computer or Mac, select the DLC you want, and for each DLC you'll have to generate a code. So this is my code right here, and each code is good only for one DLC. So after I redeem this one, I'll have to go and select other options. But now let me focus on my Mac computer and I'll show you how it's done. So right now I have my code and I have my Origin open right here. What I'll go do is I click on my username. Where is it? My game library. I'll go and add a game. So if you want to play Sims 4, just search for Sims 4. It's a free game. Where is it? It is free to play. We'll have to find it first, I assume. Let's see. Base games. There it is, The Sims 4. It's going to be free. And you can just add it to your library. But as far as the code goes, you redeem it in your My Game library. You go redeem product code right here. And I'll click on it, and right here I'll just open what I see in my phone. So if you give me a moment, I'll go ahead and enter this, and there we go. So if my code matches on with what I see on my phone, it should go through. And right there, it says The Sims 4, my first pet stuff, confirm code activation. It says that I don't have the base game, but the base game is free, so I can just add it whenever I want. And there it is. It says product redeemed. Wait, let me show you. There it is. It says product redeemed. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this very, very simple, legit tutorial of downloading Sims 4 for free with all the DLC. Hopefully it helped. It was helpful for your Mac computer, Apple computer. Now all you have to do is just go play it, enjoy it, leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.